Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about exercise 4, which is side model finishing. This is about once we, like here last time we left this model, right? So once you have the basic model, the structure, you want to add some colors, textures, and some like decorations, plants, some components on there, okay? So for example, like this face, right? All these faces are like just like black color, right? So you want to add some things. For example, if this was a brake lens, you just click it and then you will see the texture down there, okay? So see here, when you move forward, you see this old brake, okay? But sometimes it's not the scale is not right, so you just go to edit and you can see here you can change the scale you want. For example, I can change this to 10 feet. See here, it becomes bigger, okay? And I can make this like 8 feet, okay? They will automatically change that, okay? So pretty good on this one. And also, if you don't like the color, see here, you can change that. You can choose the different color you want. Okay, this one cool thing on that. So you wanna do every face, okay? For example, here, right? All this, right? This, all these faces, right? All these faces, right? All of them are actually grass, right? Which is in here, I guess we have landscaping, right? So these are all grasslands. See, you can be just like small vegetation. Just click all the area you selected, right? Some area here, then people know, oh, that's grasses, okay? It's a kind of it's abstraction or illustration, okay? And you want to change the scale. All that, right? You can just, and now it's 10. You can make 3. See here, all becomes 3. Change once we change it 1, they will all change. Okay, for example, make them 5. Okay, all change to 5. Right? So that was this, and you want to do all others. Okay, for like all the other faces. Okay, just do by yourself. Okay, and in the buildings you can add some glass, right? Just click that, then it turns to glass. Alright, so that was this, and just play with it, okay? It's not necessarily have to be the same with the site, okay? Again, it's just this is just exercise, okay? Now you learn the software. That's the ultimate goal. Okay, so you want every faces have material on the okay. That's what you need to do. And then once you have that, we want to change our face style back to X-ray and try to do something on it. Okay, try to add, because see here we have in the plan we have trees, right? But it's not showing up here. So you just go to components and just search here. You can just search 3D warehouse. You can do that also, and you can find something online. You can always do that. And okay, so for example here, plants. You click that, and there's a bunch of them, and you can also always search, right? For example, pine. Search. So this is all the stuff, okay? All other stuff you can use, okay? There are large sets of that. But right now we just try to use some plants. Okay, for example, I choose if I'm interested on this one. You just click it, and you look at it, you like it, and just click downloads, and ask you to load this directly into your model. You just click yes, and download. See here, then you use on your mouse, so you can just click, right? So it's on here. Okay, so you need the X-ray so you can show the location of the plants. If this was a shrub, right, you just sometimes the size is not what you want. You can just change the size. change the side, things like that. And then move them to the place you want. Okay, and then just copy and paste. Well, just copy them, right? Use the control and move. So just copy them to the place you want. Okay, same with trees. Okay, like 2D trees. 2D is a little bit faster. Okay, I usually use 2D, but you can use 3D if you would like to. Okay, and there are all kinds of trees. Okay, you don't want them all just one type of tree. You can try different type of trees. For example, I feel like this tree, maybe this is what I like. I just click download and load them. See here, this was a tree. Okay, it's always different size. You can make them to the size you want. Okay, just play with it. Okay, so once you have all this, okay, just play with them. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so this is this, and once you have all the components down there, you just go to view, face, and cancel the X-ray, so you have all the materials, things like that. Alright, so once after this, then what we need is actually really simple. Once you should have a model with all the materials down there, right? And it should looks, you know, really clear what it was, things like that. Okay, and then you wanna go to view, and so the edge is too heavy, you can cancel the edge, or you can even show the profiles. So see here, that's another way to look at it. Okay, and then you can export export images of your scene. Okay, for example, if I like this view, the views here, okay, you just you know, change things like that, and there's things you can add, save as a new style, you know, update. You can, you know, usually it's good, and then create scene. Then see here, you already have the scene. So if you move some more other things, if you click it, you'll go back to the views you like. Okay, you definitely want to create multiple views, because in our site we have multiple places. Okay, for example, like this thing, right? You just add, you know, then it's another, so you can just going around with different places. Okay, so when, for example, I have two things, so this is the first thing, right? You can do that. Okay, and then we have things, and then we have shadows. Okay, you play with shadows. So here you use sun for shading, then you have lights, right? And you can go to view, shadows, then you have shadows. Okay, you can change the time of the shadow, different dates of the shadow, and you can change the color of them also. Okay, just as much as you want. Okay, and you can add different components. Okay, you can and moreover, sometimes you can even like you can search people, you know, so this is the people, right? You can just download, click, you can even add people down there. Okay, so they will kind of know what's the size of people. Okay, so things like that. Okay, so once you have this, have some of this, and just go to scene. Okay, then use sun for shading, and you want to do shadows again, and then just you can go to file, export 2D graphics, and then you can just, you know, export, you know, go with the name, think this exercise 4, and just export it once, and then you can you can like open them up and see here there's an image like that. Okay, so just try that. This is just exercise, you can do that. The other way you can do is you want to try different styles. See here, you can actually see here there's actually all kinds of styles, so you can play with it. It's pretty cool. As you need to export, kind of just play with different style, and you just export 2 or 3 different styles to us. Okay, for your site, you need, I think you need 4 or 5 different things like that. Okay, just look at the requirements. You will definitely know what you want to do. Okay, and this video just show you the process, the steps. Okay, so this is for today. I will see you next time.